I thought I'd give you this little preview. This is my new project. Fresh off the farm, a 96 Polaris Sportsman 500. And yeah, this was just mainly used for farm use. Apparently it was fairly well maintained. Most farmers I've run across, they do maintain their wheelers pretty decent. The issue with this one is the transmission is bad. Or so the previous owner thought. We're gonna find out. So I got this thing in a box once again. The guy was in the middle of ripping the tranny out because he thought that was the issue, and he couldn't find another transmission to put inside. But as I have found out in the past, a lot of times it's just the shift linkage that goes bad. So before I come, usually this linkage goes bad, or it's not adjusted right. He's got it half unbolted. He's got the broken rear shaft. So I'm kind of wondering what happened there. I mean, the tranny is bad. That could have been part of the reason there. He gave me no explanation on that. So I scored a transmission. And one of two things are going to happen. I'm going to take the old one out, take it apart, see what's going on with it, and there shouldn't be anything wrong with this one, but I've always wanted to take a transmission apart. Well, let me back up a second. I've taken a lot of transmissions apart. I've never took a 500 Sportsman transmission apart. A little bit different, a little bit more to it, but if you watch my videos, you know me. I just like to dive into things and see how things work. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how to take the tranny out of this bad boy and put the new one in, and hopefully see how it goes together. We'll see you in about 2 weeks.